Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. So in today's video, the products I'm going to be using are by Miss Pink, and they have a lot of different products. They mostly are known for their like eyeliner stamps and their eyeliner lash glue liner. I actually have a code for the website, so if you use Glam Doll Makeup, you get 25% off, so make sure you use that. So right now I'm actually using all of their products on my eyes, well, minus the eyeshadow and the lashes. So I used the Delineador 2-in-1, so it's a 2-in-1 eyeliner basically. So it's got the stamp on one, it's got the stamp on one side, and then it's got the felt tip eyeliner on the other end, so you can like perfect it. So I did do that. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the stamp, yeah, it's helpful, but you still have to go in and, you know, kind of fix it. So you're better off just getting the eyeliner. I'm gonna be honest with the products that I use here. So that was what I used for my cat eye and eyeliner on the outer corners, but for around the eyelid I used the Miss Pink Lash Liner Adhesive in the shade Black. So that was very easy to just go over the eyelid area and then pop on my lashes. These are the style Coco from Coco Lashes. And for mascara, I'm using the Miss Pink Blackest waterproof mascara. Here is the wand, and I actually have been enjoying these products a lot. It's very easy to just do my liner, put lashes, mascara, done. So, but today's video, what I wanted to show you guys is some nail products. I don't have my nails done right now, but they will be done in about 10 minutes. What I wanted to show you guys are these nail pens that Miss Pink came out with. They're the Magic Nail Pen by Miss Pink. So they're these guys right here. This is the packaging it comes in, and then this is what it looks like. And this is actually the color I'm going to use today, but I will show you guys all the colors. I'm going to tell you guys how to apply this first, and then I'll show you guys on the video how to do it. So what you want to start off with is some clean nails, you know, get them all prepped and all. Push those cuticles back. I did have red already on, so I had to remove that with the Magic Polish removers. So you just rip this off, you stick your finger in there, you tear off this little adhesive protector, and you can just wrap your finger around it. But honestly, it's easier to just take the pad out and rub it off. So don't try to use acetone or regular nail polish remover, because it's not going to work. I don't know what is in these little pads, but this is what is going to remove it for you. And all of the stuff smells really good. It almost smells like candy. I'm not sure what's in there, but it doesn't smell like, you know, like that usual stinky nail polish smell. So it's quite enjoyable. So once your nails are clean, if you have color already, then you want to apply the Magic Nail Fixer by Miss Pink. This is where the magic happens, it says, and this is what it looks like out of the package. This also has, like, it doesn't have a bad smell at all. So now going through the colors, you get 5 colors. The first color is Power Black. I haven't actually used this color yet. I feel like I will use that after I've tried all the other ones, because it looks like it will be really hard to remove. Then you have Glam Purple. It looks almost black on the pen, but it's purple. And then we have Red Carpet, and I had this color on already. So I was actually using this color before. I'm going to switch it up today. And then we have Shiny Pink. I had this color on before the red. That's a really cute pink color. I think I had this color on, yeah, I had this color on in my last video that I did, the waiver video. And then the last color is Nude Rose. So I'm excited to use this one right here. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so here's the angle we're gonna have on my fingernails. Ugh. Nails have already been cleaned with the little magic polish removers, so that's done. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So what you do is go ahead and rip this part off, and the instructions are to, you know, put your finger in here. You could remove this tape right here, oops, the right way, and then you like pretty much soak your finger, or your finger soaks with the pad there. But I found that it doesn't remove the nail polish very well that way, so I just go ahead and take the little pad out and remove it. And this too doesn't have a bad smell. Like, you can kind of smell the nail polish remover in it, but it's not bad at all. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the magic nail fixer, and we're just gonna apply that on all our nails. Alright, so leave that closed because you're gonna need it again for the top coat. So while my nails are drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys some swatches. So there is black, literally looks like a marker. Let's do purple. Ooh, can't wait to do that one for Halloween. And we have the red carpet, which I'm done already. Super bright red, it's really pretty. And then we got the shiny pink, which is also really pretty. And then we've got the nude, which I'm going to use today. Ooh, that's so pretty. That's like a pink nude. Oh, duh. It's a nude rose. I'm an idiot. Alright, so those are the colors. I know it's not the best. I'm not going to put these on my skin. So let's go ahead and begin. So sorry if it gets shaky in here, because it is hard once I get to this hand. Let's go ahead and do this hand to begin. Okay, good view. Cool. So I like to just go around the corners first. Around the edges, I mean. And just, I'm going to do a second coat anyway, so I'm not too worried about this first coat. If you get it on your skin, then you can use nail polish remover to remove the outer corners. Not the outer corners, but if you get it on your cuticle, you can remove that with regular nail polish, because it doesn't have, I think this is what seals in the color. So let's just continue. Okay, one hand done. Let's move on to the next one. This is the harder hand because I'm not left-handed. I'm gonna try the best. It's so shaky. So once that has dried, you can go ahead and do another coat of this. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and remove any of the outer corners on here, or whatever is on my cuticle, I mean. Alright, so nails are cleaned up now. Now let's just do that top coat. And we are done. So see how they kind of look matte? This is going to make them more of a shiny, pretty finish. Alright, so that's the nails. That one, before I'm done, I like to put a little cuticle oil on all of the nails. Now that the cuticle oil is all rubbed in, here are the complete nails. It's pretty easy to do. With this color though, any light color like white or nude, light nude, it's really hard to get a nice opaque layer, but this is not bad at all, honestly. I will insert some clips of the pink that I had on, and then as well as the red carpet, so that you guys can see the other colors and see how nice those ones turned out. Alright, so you guys saw the video of how I did the nails, and here they are. I felt like it's a really cool product to have, especially in these times right now, because everyone's just staying at home and you can't really go get your nails done. The salons are just like opening, closing, or opening and getting shut down. So it's really hard to keep up with your nails. But I feel like this is actually a really cool alternative to that, you know, getting fake nails. If your nails are growing either way, you know, get this. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it, and if you did, then go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new, then hit that subscribe button so you can continue to see all my fun videos. Also, make sure you guys hit that notification button so you guys can be alerted when I make a new video or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.